How many you got? Don't squish
3.
your legs. Whoop.
I got him. You almost stepped on him.
I'm not moving my feet. Be careful with them. Don't break the glass. They'll come out. How many are more in there?
2.
Whoop!
He jumped right out.
Whoop! They jump far.
I know, the littlest are the best. Highest. Jump the highest. The biggest, the worst.
Whoop! There he goes. Whoop! There he goes.
Come on,
But if don't squish him. Now let me see him in your hands.
Wait. Got you. Hey, look! He's staying on the ground.
Come here. Come on. Come up in your hands.
Wait.
These are our tadpoles. Let them go. It's time to let them go now.
Wait, no! Come here, back here, little guys. I don't care about that.
There's one more.
Okay, get a photo of this.
Oh, a photo?
Yeah.
Don't